came for Gaby today. I opened up the outside carpet. What is it? What is it, Gaby? Smells like somebody you know. Oh, he says, I really want it. Oh, it's a one fireman's hat. Did somebody send you one? Hold on, you gotta wear it for a second. No, you gotta wear it for a second. You gotta wear it for a second. Alright, wait. Okay. Best Christmas gift ever. Oh, my Lord. What do you got? Don't chew that. You know who sent that to you. Come on. Hey. Hey. Gabriel. Alright, you can turn it off. Thank you.